going on, guys? This is my first true random number generator in Python. It's an idea I proposed on my main channel. A lot of you probably know that already. Here is the first ever working code for it. The program opens your video file and drops a bright green scan line directly across the middle of the screen. Every 5 seconds, it looks at the exact scan line and reads the shifting red, green, and blue RGB color values of the pixels. Because the objects in your video are constantly moving and changing colors, those pixel numbers change too. The script mixes those color numbers together to generate a brand new, completely unpredictable string of random numbers. Let's look at the source code. I changed the video source file name to be my video file name. And the script and the video file are in the same folder. Alright, let's run it. This is the result of my last run. Seems to be going good. Scanning those random numbers. Yeah, this is it here. Random number generation. Pat, no, you do whatever you want with these random numbers. Show that this is the command I ran. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you guys next time. True random number generator. Python project you can do. It's a prompt. Python coding challenge prompt. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys next time.